watched the previous video, you saw us unbox this Lumberjack. It's a bandsaw. Now, Luke and I have just been having huge fun with it, actually. So what I thought I'd do is I need to build a false radiator for the Doctor Who car that we're making. And I'm going to make it out of this stuff, builder's board. This stuff, actually, I've talked about before. It's Sintra board in the US, and it's amazing stuff. It's a foam board with a PVC coating, stays nice and bright, attaches with super glue, and the bond that it makes with super glue is actually stronger than material. So it's great for modelling, and it's great for doing something like this, because we need a radiator for the front of that electric car that we're making. I'm going to mock one up out of this builder's board using our brand new toy. Now, it goes through it like you wouldn't believe it. It's just so easy to cut that and to do a really nice straight job with it. So the first thing I've done really is cut a whole load of pieces, and what I need to do with that is glue it together in a box. So all you do with this stuff is put a bit of super glue on it, line it up, glue it together, and we need to make a box or a frame first. So there's the box made. It's just those flat pieces, and then I've put some flat pieces on there. Now I've cut a couple of arches, and they go on there and there. So that's what it's like when the arches have been put on, and there's obviously a gap here, but we can cover that with a bit of this stuff. Remember, it's flexible PVC called Stormlight that I have quite a lot of, and I've cut a strip, and we're just going to glue that on there to make a cap for it. And that's it with a coat of paint on. Now obviously I've got a great big hole here, and I need to fill that hole, and there's loads of ways you could do it. I've got a paper tray here that actually just fits, giving me a nice black grill. You could use something like a bit of aluminium mesh, give you a silvery grill, or you could cut lots of upright slats and put the slats in there to give you a slatted grill. And there it is, in situ. Okay, so really the project was about showing off what this thing can do, and we did the unboxing video in a previous video, and to be honest, I found it works really rather awesomely. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for watching.